What's up, everybody? Cody back here. Yeah, for today's video, I just wanted to try something different. As you guys can hear, I have a mic now, so I wanted to give it a try. Usually, I don't like hearing myself talk, and if you guys don't like it, please let me know, because I understand. For this drawing, I wanted to try something new, because I've noticed on some of my videos, the characters, they were basically motionless, and I do plan to change that. Also, as you guys can tell, English is not my first language, so this is the part where I stop talking and let you guys enjoy the video. Peace.
It's a man oh yeah, Coco Sanye, Dababia, oh yeah, Coco Sanye, Dababia, oh yeah, Kakanaboka, Kakanaboka, oh yeah, Kakanaboka, Kakanaboka, oh yeah, Kakanaboka, Kakanaboka, oh yeah, Kakanaboka, Kakanaboka. Imagine Casey, betting Kakayempio, Setezin, Setebo, Nusu Yempio, Ocha man Coachodium, Timeria, Genia, Amoya Quenchankwa, Usum Coachendro, ya, Usu, 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 ya, Usu. Hey, oh yeah, Kakanaboka, Kakanaboka, oh yeah, Kakanaboka, Kakanaboka, oh yeah, Kakanaboka, Kakanaboka, oh yeah, Kakanaboka, Kakanaboka.
Dance to the song, you must do obey you, Cabo. Adafo, dance to what the Hunuko, what is upon the Yoda. Adafo, dance to the song, you must do obey you, Cabo. Adafo, dance to what the Hunuko, what is upon the Yoda. One who is also what you feel. Oh, who not to come on until they and Tinia, for our watching. Dance to say Antinanka, you know, 20 feet. Abba, and you know, the Wakan and the Chilucode, and the best in the jealousy go shit. Abba, jealousy go shit. Hey, and you know, you walk and then you chill code. And the best in the jealousy go shit. Baby, jealousy go shit.
Oh yeah, Kakanaboka, Kakanaboka, oh yeah, Kakanaboka.